Hello students, I am Shashikant Agarwal, Faculty of Science in SRN International School, Jagatpura, Jaipur. Today we will be studying about a very important chapter in class 12th chemistry, that is chemistry in everyday life, chapter number 16. The reference for this chapter has been taken from NCERT. The learning outcome in this chapter will be that as Arnians you will come to know that what are drugs, what are their various examples, and which kind of drug is used to cure which type of disease. So the most important thing over here is you have to remember the various examples of drugs and their uses along with their mechanism of action. So let us start now with anesthetics. You must have heard the word anesthesia. Anesthesia is basically a unconscious or unnatural state of mind where a person is not able to witness any kind of pain or sensation in his body. For example, anesthetics are given in case of minor or major operations. Now, on the basis of their mechanism of action, there are two type of anesthetics, that is local anesthetic and general anesthetic. As Anians, you might have seen that people go to a dentist to remove their tooth. In that case, a doctor applies only a anesthetic injection inside a tooth. This is just to remove the sensation of pain from the tooth. Now, the complete body of that person is in a conscious mind, but only pain is removed from a tooth. So, this kind of anesthetic is a local anesthetic. Also, in case of minor operations such as surgery of a hand or a finger, the doctor applies a local anesthetic in the hand or a finger, but the rest of the body remains conscious. So, such type of anesthetics which desensitize only a particular part of the body or organ are called as local anesthetics. And the example of local anesthetics are lignocaine, lidocaine, and pilocaine. These are the derivatives of a drug called as cocaine. Now, cocaine is a very abusive drug, but scientists and doctors have prepared the medicines out of it, and they are local anesthetics such as lignocaine and lidocaine. Also, procaine is also one of a very effective local anesthetic drug. Now coming on to general anesthetics. The medical compounds which are used in case of major surgeries such as kidney transplant or transplant of a heart where a long duration of unconsciousness is required are called as general anesthetics. For example, diethyl ether, dinitrogen oxide, and chloroform. These are some examples of general anesthetics, but the use of chloroform has been discontinued. This is because chloroform, when comes in contact with sunlight or air, it forms a poisonous compound. This is called as phosgene, and phosgene is having a formula of COCl2. Now, this question is also asked that why the use of chloroform has been discontinued. So, as Anians, you should know that phosgene is the compound which is formed from chloroform, which is responsible for headache and vertigo in the patients. Hence, the use of chloroform as an anesthetic has been discontinued. So, these were the two categories of anesthetics, that is local anesthetic and general anesthetic, and the examples are very important. Now in the next topics we will be discussing about anti-fertility drugs and the type of detergents. So by then, students, be at home and be safe. God bless you. Take care.